What's up, guys? Me and Sheed and Maguire, who's putting pants on. We're back in Massachusetts for two reasons. The main one is because Maguire is looking to get a new car because his E30 had a bit of an accident. And the second reason is we are doing springs and struts to the wagon. Here are the parts we're gonna install today. We got H&R sport springs, Bilstein B6 shocks, poly bushings for the front and rear sway bars, reinforcement for the shock towers. We got Tedward stickers, some H&R stickers, and then new front and rear end links. So
I'm gonna install the stickers. I've went to school I'm a sticker specialist. It's gonna be like a tough uphill battle to get them on this car, but I think we're gonna get it done by the end of today.
What do we gotta do first? There's only one right answer to this question.
Jack up your car.
It does not open, and now I replace it. Now it is 100 open.
You want to do it?
Yeah, sure. Here, give me the jack.
Oh,
That was the
big
Has that
set.
ever happened before?
No, that snapped though.
Dude, good thing we have another microphone.
So we went to AutoZone. We got ourselves the McPherson Strut compressors or whatever they are. We're gonna use those for the springs. The only thing we're really worried about is rusty bolts and also getting the top hats off the front struts. But I think we'll figure it out as we go. Oh my God. This has had no alignment, that's for sure. Oh my God. Oh, we got a problem.
What?
We're nailing it. Oh. Yeah, it's time for new tires. It's gonna rotate the whole thing, I bet. God damn it.
Wait, do you have an impact gun I can borrow?
I do not have an impact gun.
Do you know who does?
No, no, I really don't. I don't know.
Okay, I'll ask around. Thanks anyway, dude. Appreciate it.
Dude.
See ya. We got the impact gun, the Milwaukee. We went with the corded model because first off, it was hundreds of dollars cheaper than the other one, and also I won't need to worry about charging it at all. So it'll always have full power as long as it's plugged in, and that's not really an issue. So that helps a lot. It doesn't have as much torqueability as the other one does, but you know what? It'll do the job, I hope. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, but I think it might.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Your eye?
No, my ears.
Oh, I got tinnitus.
Got my ears.
Oh, that's very. Holy sh! Bump on the road this time. There we go. Oh, yep. Nice.
Reverse.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, you're creating an attachment.
Damn it! I went the wrong
so that was the
fucking
wrong
way. Don't hold that part.
We're just setting it.
Yeah, let's not stand this way though.
That looks pretty safe though.
Switched off.
Safer.
Ben.
YouTube. I don't know.
Fuck.
Safer than not having it at all.
Having what?
It.
The sauce, Jackson.
It.
I got a little lost in the sauce, I think.
Hey! Nice.
That was yucky for sure.
This thing broke badly.
What did?
Whatever that was. What was that for? Was that for us? Do we need that?
This thing? Yeah,
Yeah.
we need that.
Oh, that's pretty
You were right. These are pretty hosed.
Yo, that's shocking.
This is terrible.
It's bad.
The fact that I could push it that easily.
It's like removing the sword from that rock and whatever that thing is.
Arthur?
King Arthur. Ooh, yeah, that way. Oh man. Is there any sort of washer in there?
No.
Oh boy, it's spinning in there. Wait up, stop that. Don't do that. You're gonna f your shock if you keep going. Let's see what that works. I'm gonna just make sure it doesn't spin in there.
Ready?
Go.
You're good.
I'm just gonna...
Yeah, I got you. Ready?
Actually, that's a bad idea. I don't want this hoodie up. Actually, let's send it. Why not?
Hey.
With those things.
Yo, they go underneath. You're right.
Yeah.
They won't fit on top. There's a cutoff. They're not round.
Wow.
They definitely go under.
Before we put this thing on, you already have reinforcements in there. Do we want to reinforce it again?
Jury rig it on there.
Thread it on by hand first, please. Please don't. No. Yeah, here, give me that end link right quick.
I just. That's not correct.
Oh no.
Yo, let's do an ASMR video.
The fact that I just hit my head on the fender.
You want to hear what it? You want to hear that? You want to hear what the light makes? Come over here. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. ASMR channel now. What's up, YouTube? Listen, come bring it in.
That's good. oh, there's fucking shit in your nose, dude.
Oh, that's gonna kill him.
He's gonna die soon.
As you can see, the road salt did some bad things to his internal organs, and I don't think he's gonna make it. We're gonna have to end the video here. 911 has been alerted of the situation. Hate to see him go.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, that's fully stripped.
Good thing we have a Sawzall here. This is gonna be. Yeah, this might be a Sawzall job.
Angle grinder?
Shut up.
Angle grinder.
Angle grinder. Oh, it's got a cutoff wheel on it already.
Was there something back there? I think there was.
Yeah, there's a bag of chips.
Happy birthday!
Oh, Jesus.
I hope there's no wires under there.
Well, that's too late.
Find out very soon.
All right, come on in the back here. As you can see in the trunk, there isn't much of it.
We can't even see because you uninstalled the lights too, huh?
Yeah, well, you know, it's all right. I cut holes with a knife into this foam stuff to try to get at the shocks.
We saw that.
Work well, there was a squirrel nest somewhere in here.
Nice.
Yeah, so pretty much we got all the stuff out. We just got to put the stuff in.
That's good, that's good.
Simple as that. That's not just gonna stay in.
Oh, Jesus.
Did you see anything in my eye? So you can see him back side to side.
We're making the car better and better.
Yeah, so
Holy
not only
shit.
were the shocks bad, like I thought, and one of the springs was broken, the end link was also snapped, and the end links on the front were ruined. So these are all important things to do on your car. When we cut it, it's gonna expand. It's gonna, you know, do what a shock does. But we still have to get the top hat on, and this is blocking us. You can see I'm pointing with the sharp machete here. That part is blocking us. So we do actually need to undo it, so we'll just jack it up to get it to fit.
Right.
Just a machete. There you go.
That didn't really expand that much.
It will, slowly.
I was a sticker scientist in college, dude. Come on. This is an amateur hour, alright? For the pros only. I actually just dropped a sticker, which is not good. I was like just an applications expert, not a storage expert. I think it's right there.
No, I don't think that's it for some reason. It feels like a piece of cardboard to me.
I think you're right. Okay, so this is one of those awful stickers. We didn't like practice on these, but basically it doesn't split in the back. And that's not my fault. That's actually Tedward's fault. I have nothing to do with that. So we're gonna just split it from the side like a heathen. And that's problematic in and of itself. Cardi B actually tweeted about the problem we're having with these stickers in our nation. All right.
It says no battery on the camera.
Yeah, that's because the sticker sucks. Wait, let's just check. I don't have my sticker application tools, so like I can't measure like the trajectory of the sticker. But we're just gonna say that's good. We're gonna use my little boy fingers. Get some style in there, bro. Honestly, we're chilling. Now we do have one other sticker. This is an H&R sticker. It stands for Heckler and Roche. This one is fucking fantastic. You'll notice there's a tab. so we can easily separate the sticker from its backing, like a functioning person. Ted word. But it's fine. So we're gonna go long.
Or you should go low on this one.
So there's two ways to approach this, Jackson. We learned this in sticker school. You can go with the flow on a sort of horizontal vibe, or we can, because this is slanted, we can create a beautiful crescendo or ascendo of stickers going up the window. And that's especially beneficial because there's already a blind spot for the driveway caused by this car tower, we're gonna call it. So I think I'm gonna put the sticker right there if that's okay with you.
Yeah, you're the expert, man.
Yeah, I'm the expert.
All right, so the camera sort of died. It's about 2:30 in the morning, I'm pretty sure, but we have it all done. We got the front lowered, back is on its way to being lowered. So yeah, it took a lot of hard work. Maguire pulled through, thank you Maguire. Let's see how it looks all dumped. We'll do a quick review probably another day, because we need to go to bed. But we will drive it around.
Dude, it's actually like, it looks nice.
It looks really good. Dude, high five.
That was sick.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, we need to sleep. Thank you.
Sleep.
Bye.
Really don't want to
just take it off from the bottom then.
I guess we could.
You don't even need to take it off from the top.
Yeah, you bring up a good point actually. It makes that all of what we did really unnecessary. Made for cool YouTube footage though.
Sick.